It's time to go camping. Let me see. This is the new camper I bought. This car, tiny car, and then this camper. What if I don't fit? I don't know. I'll just sit in here. Fit. Let's go. Take a while. It's heavy. I need to leave the bed. I don't know. 30 minutes later. How do I move this? It doesn't work. Oh, okay, but it's already nighttime anyways. Since it turns nighttime. Yeah, just turned nighttime. Let me just go in my camper. Let me go. So here. Whoa, this is not that big actually as I expected. And it's hopefully just from there. I think I ate a big lunch. Oh, it's not blurry since it's nighttime right now. Right, recorder? Never mind. No, it's still blurry. Good night. Yeah. I'm so tired, but it's morning now. There are a little bit of minutes. Actually, probably it's hours. I'm just tired. So. Oh, it's not that. Okay, never mind. But see, what's for breakfast? But Skippy, natural. I don't like natural Skippy. What else do I have for breakfast? Huh? That for nighttime. Aw, man. He's all sick with the Skippy. It's all slippery. No! My Skippy. My Skippy. Oh, my Skippy. I'm gonna eat it. Let me open this now. I can't open it. I'll find a way to open it. So, 1 hour later. Finally ate some Skippy. Took too long. Open it. No. Gosh. And let me just have water. Skippy gets stuck all over my top of my mouth. Yummy. I finally put everything away. What's this? I'll just leave the s'mores out for later on the floor. And let's keep going. Oh, I can't believe the s'mores is already ready. I think it's squishy. Ah, I moved the whole car. Let me just get out of the car. Time to open to the car. Didn't need to be connected to this thing. Finally, back on this tiny car. I need my tail to put in there. Move. Keep moving. I can fall. I need to go to the ground somehow. It'll take a while. A few hours later. Finally. Oh, not a carpet. It takes so long. I think this is a good camping ground though. Stand here. Time to do s'mores because it's gonna get to nighttime soon. So it's actually almost sundown. So I'm just gonna do it right now until it's getting blurry and dark. I don't think I'll need to see it. It's too tiny. Oops. I just don't use it. S'more. This thing. Let me move it. Okay, that's weird. I'm just gonna put it away. Throw it out the window. That didn't work. No. Finally, it's in there. Time to eat s'mores. Some more s'mores.